Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the trade that we did today and the profit we made. Before we carry on, guys, if you have not subscribed to Targets Trading, please do subscribe to Targets Trading and please don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. So as you can see, it's the nifty, the trade was positive today. So the market was positive and it was good, opened higher and went low at the first two sessions, but still there was movement in the stock. So we thought we actually took a buy position in both the trades that we did today. So we did iBull, India Bulls Housing Finance and Apollo Tire today. So and we have brought this particular iBull Finance at 201.20 and sold that at 201.75, almost 0.3% profit we made in that particular stock. And in Apollo Tire, as you can see, we bought it at 196.75 and sold at 197.35, and we also made around 0.3% profit in this particular stock as well. So as you can see, the time is 2:23. The stocks here are Apollo Tire and iBull Fin. Yeah, as you can see, we have brought Apollo Tire at So we have bought at 196.75. So as you can see here, we have brought it in this level. So this is where we bought 196.75, somewhere here. So it broke and made the profit at 197. Now it's actually trading at 197.7. From the point where we bought the stock, it went all the way up to 200. Okay, as you can see here, it went all the way up to 200. Now it is coming back, as you can see there. Okay, this is where we traded, and the went all the way up to 200. It almost made around 1% movement from the point where we bought the stocks. And when it comes to India Bulls Housing Finance, so you can see here, guys, we had brought the stock at around 201.20. that is where we bought, and 201.70 somewhere. So it went all the way up to 209, almost 2% movement, 2 to 3% movement is there in this particular stock, and still moving above. Okay, near the end of the market. So there might be a movement. It might break the high, the today's high, that is 209.20. It might break and go all the way up to 211 or 12 range for today. Okay, so for today, this is the trade that we took and made a profit of almost 0.6%, nearly 0.55 or 0.6% profit for this particular day. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to Targets Trading, and please do hit that like button and share this video as much as possible to your friends and